Ublalotak, Kanuit Pisi. Today is Thursday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. In the past few days, we have talked about several ways to stimulate our vagus nerve. Can you guys recall those different ways to stimulate your vagus nerve? Discuss it with your partner. Okay, let's recall it together. It was singing it out, exercising and movements, yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. Today we're gonna add 2 more to our list: cold exposure and laughing. Did you guys know washing your face with cold water or taking cold showers can really help us reduce fight and flight responses? Do you guys remember what those responses mean? Flight responses are when you run away from the situation. You just when we respond to a situation and we just escape it. That's a flight response. And a fight response is when you get into an argument, you talk back, or you physically get into a fight with somebody. That's a fight response. So taking cold shower, washing your face with cold water really helps you reduce those responses. So that's really cool. I didn't know that. But I always remember washing my face with cold water and it does make me feel good. I remember that feeling. So now I know why I feel better after washing my face with really ice cold water every day. And the next thing is laughing. Just like singing it out is good for our overall well-being and heart rate variable, so laughing is a natural immune booster just like singing, and it can increase in our overall well-being. So I hope you guys get opportunity to laugh today. Time for some announcement. Kindergarten through 7th grade, get excited for this amazing event called Basketball and Books that's happening this Friday on November 11th. You get to play basketball and bring home a book. What? How cool is that? Remember, this event starts at 5:30 on this Friday, 11th November. Doors open at 5:15 and this happens in Bravik Mission School gym. Here is the reminder for high schoolers that your upcoming eligibility is on 14th November for regionals, and your next eligibility after that is on December 16th for your first basketball game. So make sure to keep your grades up, no failing grades, 2.0 GPA minimum, and at least 80% attendance. Thank you for your time today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Happy learning!